no go hurt you, but it be hearsay. Cause I don't know that love is the only reason why you can be hurt in the first place. Love is blind, love is pain. Or to that white shirt, I than no bet you stain. Minya why you musu ebiana when you no two for the nezen you more than what you saying. Yeah. Same man who make you cry. The mama nah. Be the same man who go make you go smile. So no true love for them. So be from why they beg you forgive him if you can. Fache. Tell my young canary as to not be in my dacho. It's so be from why. All they find Obama and Michelle Donald, Jay-Z, Beyonce, Saki, Tracy, Keisha, Gucci, Donald, Bonare, Adisi, Chapter, on Yibichi, Donald, Zono, commitment and we forgive it double, because nothing good ever comes easy. Sanka fighter, they could have divorced in many ways. Wakun wa winnie banso on yenafa pam niti, was so when you pump and uncle on you moshedi. Why fika banku, so who guess and I will condo. If you play games, you for learn how to console yourself. She hurt you where you won't go, but the enemy you know is better than a friend you don't know. She needs you and you need her. Teamwork's the only thing that can make the dream work. You did love and you really wanna please her, then please her. Forgive him if you can. Facha. Him that show and to so be from why. Please forgive him if you can. So be from why. Facha. Charlie, my aunt gonna rest some being him that show and to from where. Please forgive him if you can. So be from where. Facha.
All right, you heard the beautiful voice of Mami Sawa trying to sing along the chorus with Adina. Mami Sawa is saying, Bibi Ayaku.
Bibi cool.
Nice one. I don't know open.
Okay. Now make a music video now. And I no crap say like enyum no nyansa wom. Untie so ka se wot na se tie enyum na nyansa sem enti ase wom. Ti eno kan bi na mame epenyum. Because nipa de nipa eyam fom so a ese nipa yana ye de beche nipa. Nti se enyum we kasafa forgiveness ho a ese obi apesa enyum we.
Now have you offended Obida? Anka, ebia words ne touch ebia in a way. When obi anya any kind of issue, maybe a relationship. Ebia wedding bakono funso kaka obeso we using new way and new way. Ebeye obi izana. I'm just asking. Okay,
nipa de ye yam funso. Obi ani wa obetimi aka se onye mfomso da. Enyina ye mfomso. Ebo okra ye yam mfomso so ne enim se yankasa na ya yam mfomso. Enti enyuwe koma obi bia maye ne bone ebia past life present baby bia mishia o se bia ube hu me na ebia mansiancho ebia mankasa yancho ebia nipa de yetimi yam fomsonso ne enim enti enyuwe koma obi bia obi anfa ncheme se mayo bone o menyo bone o ekwa afa cheme.
Oh, you are a very lovely personality.
Thank you.
Mama Sawa, I mean, Sisiano, me share video be about you with BBC. In fact, actually, na me share in live. And for me, a year me gongwa kaka, Mama Sawa from Kumawood on BBC. Eba ne saying?
Okay. Na me name manager wo. Na me kokoye Kobira Naijuma. That was my name is Ramadan. Ti ye hwana me manager the chair me say obia testing about BBC. Ti me come me say BBC de
it was too far from you.
Manje honda.
Yeah.
Ti o kind am so there be a prank sheniye. ti o testing nipa na reply to reply na o kasa o person me manager kasa because o mate me nkan ni majuma me ye outside into on person mo ba no be me interview minima di current ya minim topic aye be kan and once almost on person mo interview me ti me manager ni omo di nkomo ti me dey still na me ngin di kopem se omo ba ya nkasa ti sad time na me wo Sadia set that was TV34 series. Okay. Tina ye juma na still no mu da so te watch me say omo pese omo interview me because omo twa me marry me since na no my interview me. See I was like me ye juma obetwa me a whole BBC. Wow. Me den nyame ase because mansusu da say me draw nyame sure me management obi bia wa support me family and me own work and hard work. Me fans me do bias nyame show mo nyina because enye omo a anka me ni baby amewe titi unyankopon because enye ono a ono ene di manim di machi dan nyina ntie asida enka omo nyina media nyame show mo nyina because enye mo nso ameni ho nyame show mo.
Now after this BBC exposure, no, I mean business be abana or has something changed in your life? I mean as of now I know it's too soon mom, but be about anything new about now in terms of business no.
Okay, and not the confidential kaka.
Okay.
Yeah. But for now no me angasa made me project ba next year me girl child education.
Wow.
Yeah, me person me call in Crasiano. On say yeah, ba city yeah, nkofo bebre wo fine. Omo city, but omo needs help ni say ye ko school ya mami ama books, materials, say bia books, pens, bags and a uniforms say yemfa nko school. Obo kwampa wa crash and grow ni binti ordinary nice form. I watched a video equipping polo na a post here. Manages a video ni pa a crack it na o ko school and a nice forma or on shempa buansu o ko school o hunu no on mani bibi. It touched my heart because any project me pese me nti me hu bibi sa manage me share no say sitting pokra ni na oni mpaboa na de nkrase nso nti madwen ba so say ade na ye say yebe share even city a yemfa ye nso nko nkrase ne so because obo okra so otwa nso ansa na wako school obedru ona na hu nyina sa ye fi mama bi nso o a single parent and oni obi a obo no papa bi nso a ne ye waja no no a na ebo nkra be 5 enti ye be boa sa penifoi na ye ne o makasa ne a che o mo se emma o madwene nye o mo se ye setete no oba wodi ne ejare ana se wodi ne kitchen na be man so die ni school oba ko school a eboa be ma konso a eboa enti ye be educate ye parents no se omunye omo ho na omo mane nso enko school na emo akaka bi ebetimi de abo omo ne de abo omo.
Wow, very laudable, very laudable. Now, Sisiano, tell us about your education right about now. Me to say when you scholarship, 4-year scholarship, AM de pa. How did you take the news? And Pacho University Ben no.
Okay, Natford University. Amo East Legon.
Yeah.
Me mission communication and media studies. Afena mashasi level 100. Scholarship ne buy and said ye BBC DNA na e shock me because enyoma bi wo ho a me fa manimbu first no ankasa me start senior adwuma no na me fa ne se o manage adwuma ne ho keke meye even kwanes kasem kwa me ndwena won se me ma me kwa bagiska and I'm manager kwa bagiska me de yan say I love acting it me pese me yes adwuma no but e kodru baby no me hard work e pay eno na me nya ho emfaso sesie no eno ne scholarship no BBC no se me kwakoye endorsement and se me kwakoye adwuma producers etuameka enti I'm so much grateful say meninda na enyoma we nyina eba because me ba me kan say me sis wana say me share adwuma se me ntie kwa say ebia university be ama star be scholarship say Umbra school for free. Inti me like a better me no. I was shocked and I was grateful too.
But are you prepared? As in ejuma we CCR no and schooling no school no Accra, and I believe say most of your business base will Kumasi. How are you going to shuttle between the two?
Okay. On say university into say SHS and AGHS said you're very restricted and mobeka cho say bia enkwa and no was say ni say me lectures no omotima say and na omonim say ejuma mi yeni enti bibi wo ho a omo ma me chance e ma me koye but adisua na ehu hia say enyoma ana sinini ndidi michim ejuma na me ye ni ndidi michim because enka sa sini ejuma ni ejuma me ye nyina nke ndidi michim a ka menye sure say JHS ana SS cramate me ahwie aba university so mitimi handle ni ye itimi sure say university so mitimi handle ni ye.
Now for me you are very developed with the 19 well, if I'm right, and 20 and body a woman my people, nyago kra we my temptation by way and my mister no one for papa now with this body now I can imagine by 2, 3, 4 years ago no still you would have looked like an adult. How did you manage advances? Because meaning say industry no mema harding. How did you handle them? Because for me, I'm out for the person even some of the big girls can't handle the guys. How did you do it?
Okay. Me can say baby I me wona ankasa no. Bebre beba. Obi abebe Canada. But say one for wajine and CBB so. Na one for wajine and say ade we na mehwehwe. Enti na emankofo ni mia. De bia ye bechia wo kwan bebre so. Because me say adwuma we na mpese me ye. We aba se wa me pewa se me pese me forward and for se wa me manage on me pese me no wotna. Minka ni sese nkamenye actress nkamenye sure say metimi fie anko ba be test me wo me DM mu say me pel e wom sa say enkofo bi wo hormone stars but ye be pel mu wo mu DM but enkofo ne ba to the stand say e bi okra bebre kwa timi send me DM mu obi timi be test ma send message be yi ne won reply messages ne do so nti ya madwin gu su sa say enti menye star sankofo we nyina omo beba se de omo beya ana se nya adwuma we na meye na ma obi pe ma asem a enti omo beba se de omo beya enti obi obeba mabrabom bi obi oba be kasa asem na chembia metena se dwen ho se nka menye ma me se wa na nka menye adwuma we ya enti nkomo beba sana se nka menye ebia obi a ebia me free to everyone anka obi abeba sa enti eba mema sema na se eba na for sema I'm very very careful and fine ubeba me time ubia we will be friends but anamoa ebia me no betu no ya na very very careful.
Very careful. Yeah. Now have you had any incidences of say temptation one kasa no ebia ni pakrono bae no na wo feeling ni pakrono wo kasa no feeling ni pakrono ebia just the guy met your standards, I mean clearly, and when I can never go out. Have you had that opportunity and how did you also handle that? Woman for more now.
Okay. And I make a normal dozen. Say omo bana o ka say.
But when you crash be an so far, let me just put it that way.
Me crash here Joe Metal.
When Joe Metal only mana oh yeah what for.
There we madam for enye say bia ne body and be na entine ma me penas and me have a crash.
So it's not a physical
no.
thing.
Nenyum me tie nenyum every day.
Who wait me to be?
Me nenya do.
No. Just bibi keke we be convincing you say it's true say and then the body no
Bononie. But no one else but you. Bononie, no chop bononie. but no one else but you.
Ah. Oh, Charlie, I am very, very sure. Say, baby, or Bewono, he will be very, very happy. Say, I mean, you are falling in love with the song. But you're a nice guy, and so that is the issue. Into me, Sisi and Madrid, no, because Jovetio is just a very nice guy. But it's a map and papa. Into Uswaba become we there be competition, no better change it. That's nice. So right now you're not going out with anybody, yeah? Oh, that's very good. Into we a virgin still.
Me trying.
You are a virgin still.
Says asking with the can wow, but one mama can't. They be a me interview will be abusame.
It's because of the issues. Who say time issues be out in the past. Man for speculate say when they build a samashi shehona or yo yaka. I mean, people feel that maybe Ebiana watu mona Ebiana bibi a person can because of help or the aboa. Intina amanfo bisa was our question.
Me patro enya no credit.
Enya no credit.
Bill asamwa eya me papa.
Oh, okay.
Me betu no industry ni. They be as ye was set so na say ye mommy Roby and I seen me ni play scene bi na say ebia ye ka action. Ye betimi aye but ye ba closer otimi chemi say osewa ahanka ye ni say ya nke beboa anka ahanka wo yi we free mo beboa o chemi like or educate me bebre.
Okay.
It's me aka say oye me father oye me teacher menye me tipen no ntimi nka so oye madamfo but ye was set so a ye nyina ye sredi nkomanyo no nko a obia.
But when you not play any romantic role or set so that like romantic role?
Maybe I tried me angasa me play romantic role, but say ebia ye be as you me say oh me kunye me boy nie and ye my bebre but say ebia kissing and I said there be no there.
That one year that
there be me Andrew ho.
Drew
there be me manager so my me.
Manager, they open my Mr. because you say managers baby they want to manage the body and the profession. They be a normal manager. Okay, why papa? Okay.
Romantic roles, the kiss in this animal.
Mauniso kaka.
The papa and mamma is our one.
Oh, okay.
So, this is your tiaka, all banner. Anna, or mamma is our one, and say in case because those son in a normal man.
Okay.
We did 18 when ye, but on no per se, sorry, 20. But on per se, still now, the bunny living a decent life. This is from San Romano.
But for now,
all right.
For now, dear. But
you wouldn't place as
well. But the entire make for now, they say. Me can say, then nipa ye koye name. Inti, ebi I mean to me bedru 23 years and 25 years. Na means anga still na Miss Menye. Inti na me say for now.
Oh, Matthias here. All right. Okay, all right. Mame Sewa in the studio for Asempa 94.7 FM and yeah, train komo about Mame Sewa and the lifestyle and yes, see she's the richest child actor in Ghana right about now. Minimo inti me pese me bisa no Mame Sewa yes wozika brutal. Yes is can no fanya we. Ampana. But when you see some of those reports over the internet, I was saying, I mean, I just listened to one. They said you are the second richest child star in Ghana. I mean, is it true, Ampa?
Obia is Kenny.
No, ABI. Whoa, can't be now.
Yeah, no question anymore.
Are you just being very humble?
Oh, me pacho
Sana, you don't like talking about those things, but it's like you are comfortable.
Yeah, I'm very, very comfortable.
Where's he dying?
Yes, Kumasi.
Hey. I'm on for you. Hey, 20 years he has a house. Pacho 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom story building. Oh, they be like some of these things are inspirations and then see until you see I say you're careful.
Ghana and
But Yamika on who will be to your hair.
Ghana and Cassan, so yeah, Diana, Ebia, or the beto, Juana, Okokano, baby. Said Yoka said just to inspire someone. Obi Tinchan because already. Oh, Bumpua, stars ways, and you see Mokasa, baby, and so munishe. So I like doing things on the low.
Okay.
Me bibi say me voice out. Me who bibi wo internet. Rumors ni bi wo ho a false wom, true wom. Ti enye nyoma bia na ese wo a o react. Because nyoma bia na ye hu no social media na ye react a. They say papa bana wo kase han magia fade abone ba age fe because say kase say wa ye se wo plan be wa ade na no de say wa won kase ye no kre na say kase wo kase wo skade ande no kre enti bibia me hu bia no me kama no tum na de me ye for my family for me am ho no maye.
Why impress me, pa? We are a very smart lady, very smart lady.
Thank you.
I mean, you speak very maturely for your age. I mean, Okasat is your opinion, and I'm very happy about that. What boy could happen loading? What done for?
Oh, say ye co-workers.
No, but like, is she your friend? Do you see her?
Oh, yes, she ye kasa ye chia ye ho ye search ye ho.
But let's say you're not friends.
We don't talk like yen kasa of phone.
Okay, because me and Kaube mentor kakra.
Oh dear.
Our character mone kasemo because you sound so mature that we are younger or no winging sometimes no maybe no people feel say I mean sometimes on your smart into your bit say wo fan down for anka we to me am molding ye because you see no am for feel say or wayward into born din no na my dream here me say e bia na ya wadan for anka.
Okay, yes. One example ne say.
Yeah.
Se sebio ye ka say ejako mi ame papa. Yeka say Jacko o Jimmy was in him too much. On my history too much. Ebia real life no. Or a very serious person. Or a very aggressive person. And to me funny say Ebia akuapim polo ye no ye nyina ye ni so keke. But se eba efie anase se one nkofo kakra bi o trust your mo wo ho a maybe she's a serious person. And yet dear debia ebe hu no social media na say yefa. Because obi wo ho blogger bi wo ho ba betro and some just for likes and comments. On fa ho ne say better ne show image on fa ho.
Obi a obi sada. Obi a throw negative story be about you are a call pada.
Oh yeah, baby choba minim minim ebi mudin.
But story ben na omo try a wa kasa won say we there a come square papa.
Okay, bill issue no. So time na me so at time kwana afina me wie GHS.
Oh.
Tina me so ti en omo this ade ne hye me kon no. Ko fo hum ya akwa keto na oni papa panyimu say twempna. Me wan so na nya no kre. I felt bad. But me her so rest in peace. Ono na che me say enyoma bi wo ho a eni kwan say ofa ehye wo wakoma no utim say me ka say enyoma bi na e be react no. Ono che me sade no. De bi o ka che me say baby abeko bia no. Say even say wani nje say wo ra ho kra na sorry. Because say enkofo bebre na etwa hia wa ha obi wo ho a wansra obeka se onu nti no mu na obi woni mu da onkasa ho da ba mu nyina mako hia ba bi a wansre keke nti onim de wu komo wansre keke nti osi akra ni mu ade nti o ka kire me bebre se osre se ukasa ni pa ho na still na ye penti o black a hune se eya djuma wa fa to ho so eni enti na nyoma bi se ekoso enti onu na share me den because nkenyo no a enyoma na efoforo ban because me wie school no me wie JHS na kasa na sa nyoma ni nyina start by like say me ne bill eda me ye ben for me say na start by enti enye me mama ene me family members and I say me directors ne me fans are almost share me cry kamenya sure senka senior juma meet me kwa to aso
na be ye ne fi ne bae
o say rules I dey man me like me kind me pe acting
it what to me hear too well so people feel say sana what
me sua bebre me so na nkasa no like so obi ani dem a me meet me imagine say me ni obi act wa na me make kasa ti acting and kasa na me pay me share a lot of movies me read a lot of like story books. Inti eto de bia me so na kasa na me amecho me story. Na me amecho me story. Ti ya mami ro bi say ya metimi kasa ro we me hwe movie bi na the same thing ya de ma e bia na ma o metimi aya ma me hwe se metimi aya meye ebeba out ye ti enkofo ehu sano omufa ne say akoye ma one bi wura otimi ne play too well adomu obi bi wo mu ntemu ana akoye ye ma ne be ye otimi play ni too well aden oye ben fo na ba say oye ma rose no am play ni ye be de na obi akoto osini ahwe.
Yes.
Yes.
In fact, sorry, sir, Mummy, in fact, my condolences.
Thank you.
Me pesa mikawe wo yaw, but ansa na entamo wu ye no. People of the view say Okahona woman heartbreak, and I want you to use this opportunity to clear the air because me mate, and I haven't heard any response from you yet on that particular matter. You say we are not dream pa to the extent say of yare and odu ye ampa na.
Na me pesa me kasa semwe. Because say me ti baby no obi can something ill about my mama, I'll feel very, very bad.
Yeah.
I won't like it. Obi ani wa obetina say yendi ni mami atem and I yenka ni mami echi asembone abra ni mami ni ho. Me even ni yemfa me mami kran share form no and stories ni started by say me ku me mami de me mami agisika duro ni nsem bebre. Senye se ebia me a strong person and come into me because that time no ankasa no na mean to me too many and too be anim fine na me family members me papa wo me nuamo wo me management me fans obia wo obia wo she me well but mama no odi me ras ni mu odi me di kan buy no me too many hwe bia oni ho na sankofo we ya say twa mo ho abeka say na me mama heartbreak why na betina say obo more treating mama.
Thank you.
Why na betina say ni mama o de ne buy obo ani so ni mu e de ni see baby papa no onu asa betwa no one more treating mama. I never did that.
Daughters and their moms you are very close.
I was very, very close with my mom. Although ebia nyoma kiti bi ebeba concerning ejuma ebia menkoye ebia ejuma because me mama or the story say ebia or the script ba na say me read this story na me nyokia me kache ne ma me so mint me because story we medical cry bi dada story we no ebia 2 week me mpese meye ade a mekwa jan afie be say mama say wapa na ye story we there be otima senso because me na me koye adwuma no enti so obi jamba bi ka say me ne me ma me kon sensa enkofo even sinifo na be di madanse say me ne me ma me kra was set because na ma me welfare enti say me ne me ma me e be hia was set so no kwakọ no aduane amomo na say me so me was asset na so abia say de me ne me ma me si relate kra no enye obi kwa na be ka cho say anya say wa ma me ni.
Okay.
Inti inko for static cancer no I felt really bad and I am ya to the extent say me feel say see across mama we baby owo bia no say kwa no be feel say yemfa ne share from na mo kasa nsem we egu ne maso ana mo kasa nsem we egu ne baso enti me de nipa kwa na me dwe ne ho pa ye me nua ketewa no.
Yes of saying
questions
be no bisa ba mo so bisa questions be no bisa.
Okay den ankasa mama ni free mo amemi kodu fie no na okosko ti card ne buy no ti o buy na like that time na bill any anti Vivian Joe omo nyina ba fie ho obi a she black into ba fie no show obi a say ya and I mean auntie Simo edeni kora inside. So many kora na obusa say me mama way. Enti obusa say me mama way na and I mean auntie Chan and trust ma tu kwan obeba.
We there that time no we there.
Me no 9 years.
At that time.
Yeah. Ti or share no simubua ma ewu because according to me papa na nyume na mama frame no me ne di nkomo or frame me nua be ma ne so
that time na wo he
that time na me wa kra me ye adwuma Into a friend me ma on me kasai because no say or call a sorry fee. Ti on me kasai no so ne hoye na me ba Saturday na Saturday ba be drama me mako na ye Thursday. Enti e drew Saturday na ka me ma ba Kumasi abehye no. Ti o ka chem so me ba me fa nyoma bi mbre no na me ne kasai. That was around 11 or 12. Ti me ne kasai we no frame me nua panyin no so. E no ne kasai. Sana minim say all crying. Ti according to me mama no o free fear o mo call asori fie no. Me papa say oni me nuane da wosa me nuane enwuma me nuane isu saa. Oni madrikonti a wosu. Sometimes so sana me mama e free mo kra kodadada. Oh. Ti ya kan kreche no me nua osu ye de but ofane normal. Na minim say ono kra na ebe strong. Because ono na meje ne ho. Osu ya afi bibia twa no wandwe hu biem.
Wow.
Well, Musa questions BM.
Wow. Anyway, very sad story. Sorry, sir, Macau, but with some of these things, it comes across. I say it to be bizarre. Yeah. Wow. Anyway, we are live on Facebook. We are Asempa 94.70. Who the beautiful Mami Sewa. You can just go on our Facebook Live and just appreciate Mami Sewa the beauty. And move to me, send the comments also as well. And now, what could you buy that?
Okay, me call Belgium. That was Namewo JHS 3.
Okay then. Like visits professional visit.
Yakoye Juma or many acrobatomo any Omar Sheriff Captain. Yakoye Juma or like ye nyako krane ko yako baby like Europe countries nina. Ena yakoye like yakoye Juma or
because my once Ghana in some course or Hanum, you have to say some of you your friends say celebrities are more for more tone no for sano na a man for be person more prostitute mo obi e this proposal ni bia to enim da or catch you say Charlie me link you say connect me, you say the famous term is connect me. Has anybody tried to connect you to anybody before?
Never. Minim say bia me messages na minyan ready ne doso ntia bia bi hyehyase enti ada fofa me bana me hu no me ba be catch.
All right,
but say dem me hu bi.
Let me just quickly go through some messages that we have right about now. Hakim Salifo say, I just like the way she talks. Now Lawrence Tete say, Mami Sewa, more vimo. God bless you for what you're doing.
Thank you.
And George Opoku say, watching you live from London. In fact, I like everything about her. She's very pretty. Mami Sewa. Maxman Azali say, Maxwell, watching live from Takrady, kudos to you. And James Williams Donwell say, no, Srem, so can send me a say Galaxy say, watching you live, I think Mami Sewa story should Mami Sewa should marry early because of her body. How was it here? No, or Felicia say, to me wearing them. Because one wearing them of this who waste the time. This no. Ajiman David say you are very beautiful. Kweku Bismarck Mauto say okay, I think this is for the lady is humble, so humble. This one is from Felix Owusu. Edwin Osei Prempe say keep the good work up, Mami Sewa. And Fatao Farouk say the Don, you are too much in Spain. Thank you very much. And Atubedu see authentic lady. Hey, I'm on for who are so many comments from Facebook, you know, Facebook comments. Prince Opokusi, watching you live from US of A, Silver Spring, MD, delicious food. And Araba Kwansima Jackson say she's a blessed girl. Eric Owusu, you are so beautiful. Messages need the endorse into the messages again. 16 minutes after 2, Asempa 94.7 FM, Tete-A-Tete Sunye, your friend the Dawn of Dawns, your Facebook Live, and my name Mami Sewa, the War Studio her. And recently she was on the BBC and she made the whole of Kumawood proud because Ghana there, a man for Beko BBC Sua, ne moneo, no muko di bonnet, no muko go bin masse, muka time a moisha budon ko no. Or say Ghana man, they have to live off sugar daddies and stuff. But Mami Sewa just went on BBC through good works. Ejumapa. one yet any hype. And for me, I think this is where we should take the industry to the next level. So we need to encourage people like Mami Sawa to do what they are doing best. Now, Mami Sawa, Obofo or Kumasi, Matisa Sisiano, most of the Kumawood actors, musicians now muko Obofo. When are you happen?
Maybe I show you in share.
Aye. And then you don't have any plans of meeting. Umpeka ni bi. Or say to check us rough.
Oh.
Matisa even Brass America no Wanya Kamaru bi ohonom.
Me nim story no, and I nim the etache. But me sure say bi ankofo oni momo, ene nkofo bi a oni omaye, oni omesaida. Ena o momo sa. Me ntimi sorry prekopenko say ni say.
Oh, okay. But sorry ben now kosa.
Me call Assemblies of God.
Assemblies of God. Inti sorry now you don't go to any other church again.
There be say si angasa de me ba Accra me call Royal Censor.
Royal Censor.
Ewo Dodowa.
Okay, all right. Now, what do you think about some of the preaching, some of the pastors lately, especially about prophecies, about some of you, the industry people? Say, Mubewu, would you cut down? Where you see? What is your take on it?
Okay, so Obi Kacho say, when ya a yicha fa and don't just say, Ebia wakun. To say so because meson daye na wawa. Nyame epese o kire se wayi akyerɛw ɛdeɛ na ɔnyɛ mfa ho o question na ɔde ama no o answer ne se o bɔ mpae na Nyankopɔn ɛyɛ firi hɔ ana se o bɔ atra abra wo nyɛ hwe ɛmfa ho na wama nasi because Bible culture se oyicha na wase no enti se o sofo na se sofo bia wonim ne da aben ho bibi se akachewa me kase say ye di echi efa ho because ye stars na me de me star na me de baby say de me de wakana sa America me star antikwa no kasa e bi so na si
who believe in the fact say ebia fake prophets be our system them. Yes, do you have fake prophets in the system according to you? Would you say the amount for say some of our pastors no say no mabano fake kan wana wo de ugidi say almost everybody or age man
okay, me ankasa me ra sorry bi mu na say me honhom nche me say me wo ha me pie.
How would you have that feeling?
Okay, nipa bia no ye wo two angels at the bi edi achi ye wo papa ene ye wo bone ye papa no ene kan sem pacho say oh ha wura no ebe bonti ra bone no so na say wo ko be che say bi ha enko bibi bone wo ho. Enti na ye say obitimi ka say na bibi ka che me say ba mentie eye angels na omo wo ye nchen enti me ra baby na say bibi ka che me say there be eni kwan say me wo ha me pie because Nyankopon wo o baby oni asore nko a wo hye wo fie na obompa ya Nyankopon tie say me so da ye bone a me nko me sofo straight me frɛ no daddy daye we no maso okay ye bompa ye wi a mi ankasa me wo me mpa ya me pese me bo cherade because untimi nka se bibia si na what to car eko asori dem akobɔ mpa ya ba fie.
But when your spiritual attack be done, anything one can say almost say we dey say no be person or come here spiritually like because wow personally yes
me and the meet me
you are blessed because bibia we and bibia wokoi and normally no sometimes no people would want to stop you in your say your perception amount for superstition amount for best try to stop you etc. And say you are good on that score. Now Ya Jackson me say lately amount for ta compare with Ya Jackson mon tem to say
entemo eni bone ye da boko e share ho e kasa.
Yes, but I've seen say fan base no they want to put you against each other like. Have you noticed Sadia no?
Me debia me share because my uber na obi wa posti menene me no na mo de red love emoji ato me ho na mo de green ato ne ho choose what you want like
it's like people me Madri me say Ibiana is generated by her publicist. Once a wo a bigger star compared to her. And so per mileage she would have to use you to get that mileage. Why do you hoping?
Okay, menene ne shase. Let me kwaka say odi kan shase kwa jame. Enti me say eba menene me no side a me ndwen won ne de oye star na de onye star. Like de oye big na de onye big.
No di kan call BBC Jan.
Oh, she's doing good.
Yes,
like
yes.
Ono so ne nyom. Se menene nyina na shase.
Child stars, yeah.
But se no say ebia sinino waja to kakana opeso obonyuma. Eno nche se mezo yese ye me ya na mezo makobonyum. Debi. Se Nyankopon se enyum e na obebo e de adru baabia o de bedru. Se Nyankopon so se adwuma we ya na menemu ade adru baabia me de bedru. Enti comparison no eto de bia e ya na e bit harsh. Like enyoma bi wo ho a te se the don o hey na se ebio obi nso ye adwuma ya wo ye bi ne de bia ye de mo compare na ebia ye kasa chew na se ye ka ono na sem o na se nipa we kura ono kura on te sa na wo ya sa ebe ya oya like ye compare woni obi a ebe ya oya ana se obi feel bad enti obi wo ho a oni adwenbone.
All right.
Me ti we me ni adwenbone ebi asanso no no so ni adwenbone but se comparison ni be mu a
enna issues no starting
enna jealousy no be starting which is aden die nko na se wa won ti am compare me sanso na bia mso madwe se die nko na ya won mo compare ye mienu ni ye ntemu ni bone we talk enti me share fans no se eya omunya ntobo ase enye comparison na se die obi anade obi ebe posti ene be ma meni ya ako because ya me hu no na enye ene asem.
But when na decide common who that say about how people are comparing you and the effect it might have on you. When na decide common that.
Ye share ye nka social media nkomo. Ye bedi nkomo a ye di nkomo as minua ye hu ache. Ye kasa. But say bia de ekoso social media me ni share kwa ma ye nka bi da say bia obi true story me efa ye me no ho na e bia or be confront me abusam say aden DNA koso.
All right. So you just want to take this opportunity to tell people to stop there. Yes. I mean, you don't really
obia yenede. Obia yenede.
But some of these things in the industry especially on social media won't to mean stop it. Yeah. Won't to mean stop it. It's like,
oh yeah, mean to mean stop it, but me pese me say me to me adwenbone ma obia. Enti meshe me fans say ebia compare because obi wo hokra na mimi hunti na bia onfampe ya asem ebia ya hunti onfampe masem enam comparison bia
amount for you.
All
right, let me go through some more messages. Sergi Godwin Senor says much love to you Mame Sewa. Eduama Samson say I like her dark beauty. Yeah, also we are dark beauty parent ultra brutal. And say and Felix also say have she finished uni? No, also first year on year. No, because we university now. And Hussein Umar my gase remain humble. Also one home Brazilian. Maintain one home Brazilian and young and to say if anything some of those rude people are more around. Eric say remain humble or say maintain humble nature no Eric also not teaching the young ones how to be humble as well. Once I stardom sometimes to me come on for chim and they become all rude all of a sudden. Now I'm changing your attitudes and stuff. Now what do you think about makeup? Makeup Nancy na papa she did too just say yeah more makeup no it is the your friend is saying like it's not good according to the Bible. It's like and Nancy also give to you say baby makeup there or Bible more if you Esther Braso, me who say why a light makeup, just a light one. What do you think about ladies and makeup? Mufili say, is it necessary?
Okay, me betoye. Sanso ebia obia betoye. Me nim baby a shasi free. Ena makeup say ye can makeup a memma trimuno. Omfane say makeup no. Ye da ye makeup. Ye jare ye makeup. Ye no aduane ye makeup. Me say me ofia I'm natural. Even a toilet become me cover become me. But say ebia event say me buy mean me for manim samba. E wom say enye bibia de. But
who offer?
Me who offer, but me atade am hye no e heavy. Ebia wig e hye me e heavy. Enti se ma anye light makeup a ebe mu manim ayeketo a anhwe kwa wo hu manim ye. Ena me ye tuntum nipa kokko enamwa wanye makeup kwa obi okra ye kokko oye makeup kwa wo hu age se bia ne lip ena be mu hu ene ne eyebrows ne be mu hu se anipe waye makeup enti ye ntutufo ye anya ye hu ye yenso a ye hu enti ya makeup na ngasa enye se ye pe se bia ye tifie kwa ne aya na ye ko ha ni dwom kwa ne aya.
But sometimes to me mam wenim sisa. Like, what change it? I mean, you look a different person. I mean, if you are not the makeup.
Enyefe. Me busa say enyefe.
Debbie, sometimes no. According to say, when this stranger be and air kasa.
Okay.
You know, because to me, someone need too much. I na mom guidance. They don't change me too much. Yeah, let me look just like real life.
Okay. Say Nyankopon so my one day pe ama emema bama ama manswa komema anka ebianka umubeti ase. Oh yeah, makabeti ubeti ase.
Like Mama Sawa rough. Mama Sawa, now let me take you to another sleepy area. Issues of abortion. We are a young lady, I know probably say we are virgin until with the mefanasa. With the mefanasa say being won't get into such situation. But what is your take on abortion? Generally, I will be saying ebia wunye ready, ebia na wunisika, ebia na through if I'm saying rape muneba. Among for have different perceptions about whether abort or not. I want to pick your thoughts on abortion. What do you think of abortion?
Okay. So abortion, and I say a abortion, a dear baby car about Timara and say enya depa. But still nanko for ye. And nam ebia ye educate or more on your man kitting be hunty. Me gonna say me di kind a year me ba me memono and I me shas ye and menstruate. First na ma me di kind e kache me enono. Kransa no ba be mama adwuna ko menstruation kache me say abortion nye ade papa enti unye ready a enkoye emma wonkonyem enka se wo beye ko because wo betimi ahwe akwa no kwasa wo hwere ne dada apese o yin fro dada ba wo betimi ahwe wonkwa wan hwe wonkwa kwa time a wire ready so pese wo Emma ebia bema wonso ahia na waware ono na fi awone mbabiem because me nim much about it but
yes obia ebia wabo amane se okoye bia na obia wonim se okoye bia
me school mu ene e kire me sanwoma no enti kakra na amaka no enna menka ne se yetimi kire me a metimi abone tofa no but abortion wo we e dangerous e de nyoma bebre nyoma boni bebre ba because yesi obi kwa entimi take like owia yesi ebi mkwa timi bubugu ho minim de omu use minim de omoye but abortion any solution say ya menka ne se sakwa no se wo de se uni hwe kra na wo den ya wo maame wo papa wontimi nhwe se me ba no wa wo ana wakoya aso de intime me jina tochne se onkone nam se entoma pa kokra na aka ton na fashion no because sunfa so ebeba daachi because ya tititi ya senki yegu ya kamnya sure senko bi ni mamesewa ko bi nim the don anko bi nim like anki nim yen Intimacy, ya mammy, more your young girls more. Even so, boyfriend crossing you go, what they're doing, whom you know, unqua. Or no, Sesebio, or sure unqua. Or no, or Sabino before fro. I'm was a dada na manaye, na echo, na young girls and youth na ankasa yen na ye wukon.
But youth no ankasa more problem, and I'm very happy say you have begun to see say youth leader. Matisa sisi anu condom dem what watching. I obi use condom bi mo. Say 10-15 years ago na awareness no hot, but right now no, it's like most of the youth have that come to your attention.
Me ankasa no first no me can say miswa no adverts omo adverts be na omo educate about
if it's not
AIDS.
On it's not in
AIDS omo chere say like say only obi ye bibisa na say wan share condom obenya AIDS like miswa there but me di to me chim but sisi no TV so na any hobiem obere adverta na omo can be like about sex but omachia no e dey fun like education na say bibi na yes omo educate ye omo educate ye
Ghana AIDS Commission anka juma we anka mo na anka say mutumi di share mo enim because clearly no from what Mami Sawa is saying clearly no education no call low.
Yeah, because first no more t-shirts cry be mo share no AIDS na say for but sisi no yeah long life yeah but sisi ni hobiem e di entia sisi no ye hu ne say ye drew ye ni munti like sisi obi ani munti o ye nko main to the point but be say ye che said your first and to near share advert min kai advert be brave but advert be wo utimi hwe no ani age kasapa advert utimi hwe hilarious but sisi no nyoma bebre asesa enti say ye advert ni ye sell product but say education is wo
Mama say Okabra for say hilarious beautiful grammar and a man for me kind some blog this will say yes Mama say want before and I'm say oh I say mo so efe because so far no me I engage you know I mean clearly she's on point who her story no say
yeah me who be
oh
me share but say so bu ani go so because oh yeah artist and now yeah actress actor say enyoma bi wo hwa e ba ubu ani go so nya bibia na yes or react say me manager o tumi fu bebre nyoma bi wo timi hwe me phone so sa me am timi de kwache no say mark won hu de ekoso say oh minim so you strong enya nyoma we na say e put you off
yeah that bang
me ya wada
I mean like month
okay August 19th August
okay we are Leo is the sign of the lion and the leader of the zodiac. I mean, you are tough. Yes.
Thank you.
No, I mean, I'm just trying to understand your personality because what can I say? You are strong, and truly, no. And me say, Leo for no there, more thing. And you like acting. We share that careers are and Leo ebe acting can kind one of the main careers are over to me any year. And the acting I'm open Korean so Asempa. Very much. All right, Asempa 94.7 FM. Let me do some more messages, but you can also join in the conversation 0302216545. 0302216545 0302216546. Maybe to me a friend and say what question be a obisa mama say wabisa about so be a person the man also feel free 25 minutes to the top of the hour 3 at 3 Kejua be take over with sports and the moon shannon so I mean go through some of the messages that we have right about now. So Justice from Ashoman saying, watching you live from Ashoman Estate. I love her movies. Keep up the good work. Edward Omane Ohini Mensa says from London. Thomas K. Williams says, I'm watching you live from Italy. God bless you all. Emmanuel Kusiapi says, keep the fire burning, me sewa. And Alex Mafo say, Mami sewa. Oh, Mami sewa. Watching you live from Germany, Alex Mafo. Obika sending number. Say me from was sending number from Italy. Say me from Mama Mesa Wamano na on contacting. One, my miss, I was saying, only don't connect me. It is I know me command number, and I mean, I may connect, and I mean, so me person may connect my miss, because we all want to keep her the way she is, you know. And Shaibu Al Hassan say, my miss, you have won my respect. Keep it up. You are so humble. UK people, they greet you. Mike Perez says she's very matured now, but she needs to work out. Now, lately, working out issue about apno. Nancy, I mean, some for congratulate you on social media. Say, I mean, you've done well with working out. How far is that exercise going so far? Okay,
a product, Hebasis, me take, but like Omo can't say my gaining waiter, and yet a bia on say boobs nangasa and a woman in me. Hey,
but you're a natural dear.
Me patron.
Because you see a silicone there now, sometimes one silicone there now who natural one now. This is how we saka and sana.
Me sure sekai. Me sure sekai.
But she say Oba studio how maybe I don't know about check your mommy.
Aish. Me sure sekai mean to me kwa nyata there. Me sure.
It's way a natural power.
Me patron. And then uncle for who like.
Attract you.
Omo who ne say my ekese because me muna nkasa no menso. But me ebia omu me nufu ebia mabasa why kese but the omaka no me de kwa adwene mu comment bia me hu no wo me page obia no enye de bia na ese ye fan say a hateful comment and I say a hateful words.
But mama say so nim say amount for be super large sir. Me say me per large.
Oh, me kasa me cough from
like, keep the me our advice you
I'm
to
a take girl.
Yes.
But so, non just say me ndeja me ho sa.
Yeah, but
baby
also,
ho I say cough from. Not thickness ni show.
So more. Yes. Now no for number out more. Remember for no for asomeke. Yay. Fifi Banson say Sewa clear the air because there's rumors that you and Clinton Vivian Gill's son are dating. Hey, Clinton, when Vivian Gill's son, no. Oh, is that feel less bow, feel less eba. And what do you have to say on that one?
Me kohuno Mark una send mami. Okay. And I know Clinton so send mami say blogger be a chobi.
Clinton we there.
Me name ni HD.
But we need. And now also yeah.
Oh yeah, young
guy.
Yes.
When you see the cacao.
Oh, there be no one name cheme.
Oh, okay.
Ti on the day sending me, but sometimes na my manager they are sending me.
But we need close.
We are close. Say
I will need to call out sometimes, like to me two of you.
Crowd and ti or sending mama and I'm saying more mako who me no picture where na ya pia koyen for blogger be a chosa. But according to blog and obusa question. Or the question mark to but me what the content obusa sa question. So you quite the serious you so.
Oh, okay. All right. Now, Matthew Kobna, see, please tell her dark beauty is beautiful. So make sure no follow Yanom, go bleach. Why?
Thank you.
Now bleaching about Chimuda.
Black is beauty.
Yeah, everything about black is so mature and nice. Kweku Bismarck Malto see, no, Ben Kofi see, for me, I really hate those who always do makeup. With all your beauty. Oh, African girls. I mean, I don't feel African girls should stand out, like with all the beauty.
Utie obi di obi apa. Dear wo mama sewana, dear wo the don open no, dear woman onye. Because me can say we a celebrity and see yamfa say half of our life story and half of our life na ngasa de e wa bontin. But yeah, they be their fans and nipa e wa abontin ye mistake ne say. Obo timbe comment wo page ase like or show said the no kan eno na yesa oye e nipa mintimi mba e me kan jo say the don me say pie na koto ade bremi abra wu mu no ompe nti eto de bia eya say enkofo bi nso ti ase makeup wo hoyi me nka say ya de papa but mintimi nko baby enfa manim wrong enkosa eno so eno ano mo asa be ka say na de na wanye makeup like dia wo so tie we anu asema wo be yo or say you sabe catch us and I didn't say yes I did we tinipa
and I friend the same people Odiyenko Odiyemba the same people Obodo and yeah na actually forget those people now ruler Bawa said the dawn fire and Nanaya Tieku Apiasi. I like Mama Sawa and her movies, and I remember her first movie when she was buried alive when Apostle John Pratt resurrected her. My advice is she should tone down the makeup because her black beauty is far better than the makeup. But nevertheless, she's humble and a great actress.
Thank you.
Wow, yes. Jomo Pokwasi, Festus, ask her if I can marry her. Hey. Festus Nayanka or Ben Mary was straight. Festus now who was the car? Because my miss no, she's used to some good life. And I'm sorry you can tolerate some Ubi Unisika. Can you marry somebody Unisika? Like Ebia only up to your level. See a war dying, war car, what basic things are anka opinion so worry will be. And Ebia will be all single room person worry. Mama Sawa, what will you do? What will you do?
Mimi Arian Foba. Sena mizumi nibi ena nyame adom watimi de odemasi baby ti no nche se obi nso no so shase abobra no ontimi enye obia anase actresses na enye obia na maybe or fine skadi obia pe so yeye but se unyo obia one ne be shase abobra na mo amonya mo bibia no so beboa chance because me nyanenti say me experiences abida ma nyanenti say omo wo mo bibida da no ukomu a or disrespect because of fun say no ni sikendi kwa na bia wo ba trust no enye too much sir because of fun say sikanti na kra wo na munti oh me found but obi a hone na sha si amunyina amonya mbibi enye relationship kwa per se like uni obi she adwuma se na woni nyina come together na mo ya ade na munya mumienu munyina mo de anya ba ko pedia.
Wow, matured lady. I don't know whether it's because when a man for amungin say bon come like you're always in the midst of mature people.
Baby am drubia say empany 40 wa me make sure say like say me say ni power ha na munyina modin koma ebe me den say bia me confront you be me a very very shy person ti say ebi obi afia na me pese bia particular person we me pese me ni di ababom koma like panyi bia omunyina kwa na makohu no one on one na me na din koma
who say me who me kai say we a shy person but now he didn't want to admit it. See I don't work on me say no she was so quiet and it's like no person kasa and her managers were doing the talking. It's not me this I said I'm coming to interview you but me said no and say mama say why the shy type who camera and the mic I don't show but camera and the mic in you are not why shy because I mean I can understand and to see and producer say it's almost time for you to join through phone calls enti mo amopese mo bisa ma mesa wa no mo betumi afre sisi asisi ade kedwa ama me kwan 0302216545 0302216546 0302216546 so your number no enti mo betumi afre. And if you have anything at all you want to ask, beautiful Mama Sewa na Mwakoso, and already know you'll be online also. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Dado.
Yes.
I really enjoyed the interview very well.
Thank you very much. Where are you calling from, please, and your name?
Please, I'm calling from Temacom to 11th station.
All right. Mama Sewa is in the studio. Would you want to have a chat with her?
Yeah. In fact, Mami, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mami, budget say.
Me ba choboko.
Oh, yeah. In fact, since na nyamti ya. Me mpa wa me so twede ampoma ho say. Onko so ambo ho bai. At least you know what I bet 50 houses right. Na show movie bi acting. In that movie no, umami one of the Kumasi kind of but that movie no. Since then I me started to me pay watching.
Thank you.
All right, Asempa 94.7 FM. We have the next caller on the line 0302216545 0302216546. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Patrick, your friend was saying, "Who for everything?"
The door, me did the papaya, me can see coming from my second mayor.
Oh, second mayor.
Yeah, the door.
Yo, second mayor.
The door, Mr. Opeke course now, the reality block from starting. Any of the my what I say.
You Martin. You Martin.
I got time to now the block friend.
But you don't know.
I'm about so much money, Michelle. I'm say what. Umugeno Brita, the real Castano, I'm Hoblasiano. A man the door, or told him now, or ya Hoblasio, or Funko Bia, Senate, or Canon. Say Hoblasia, say the Oka climate 10 cents, or do a bit in coma. Or bet Chama now, and son of Company be not Nasama the afternoon. Gano, not my be
all right, second mayor, Medawasepa. All right, hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Pacho, your friend was saying,
in fact, your friend is Josephine. Me, for every session.
All right, Josephine, my Mr. Waha. I something up so catch her.
Oh, me, I just want to encourage her. Say, send your what's on that to Yenisa, because some of the celebrities, when like Omonia Sukanona, like the fame is too much, No, they won't say everything as a, but I really love her. I love her personality, everything. I remember the first day I watched her movie. Is it Ahuhumboni? Or by then she was very small, and I really love her since then. And up to now, I've been watching her movies. So, Mami Sewa, I love you, eh?
I love you too. Thank you.
Keep it up, eh?
Thank you.
God bless you.
All right, Asempa 94.7 FM 0302216545 0302216546. You can call and join us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Pacho, your friend was saying for everything.
Pacho, your friend me Heaven Benghazi.
Heaven Benghazi.
Yes, I.
Heaven Benghazi.
Yes, I. Miss Refi Agbogba San City PNK.
Oh, I just know what they Agbogba San City PNK.
Yes, I.
All right. In fact, Mami Sawa.
Me da si be bre ni akwanya wa mama menye. Me mi aba Mami Sawa. Na me shira o papa wa kasa wa kanya misu ni nyamisu. Me nkura sha me de be ma wa ni say omodie na ma nyamisu ni nyamisu enti wenim. Sini wesifa kasa ama amanse na ti oni enewie no. Sa pepepe na nanti e ma yonko fane fekubo entwi wo kombia yense se wo ko. Omodie na de bia na ma wa sori ko ni mpaibo enye dwuma na me gidi se of we ya wo mu no e nyame na afre wo. Na nyame du be ko odi wa kwa akodu. Nyame nhirawo, nyame nkawo, nyame nti wenim, nyame mo yokodu hu ni akukudura odi yefimi, ni nyame ma ento supan guso na enye nhira ama manze nina, nyame nhirawo mnyaba.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Me kwa anu manya shani bi. All right, 10 minutes to the top of the hour. We have another caller on the line. Hello, Mpacho Fefin.
Hello, yeah. My name is Ola Odinga.
All right. Where are you calling from, Eli?
I'm calling from Adenta. Catch me about say Jenny Jino pa. Naim ade ba ko say Ghana ha no sa entertainment show for yi. Na omo force said the celebrities anim chichifum. Atoda bi a ubeti asem bi no asem anya na koro ba fa ne fa bisa no na de betina radio so no ka. Na namitie no mani ji pa. Na mom de make catch na say onye careful sa entertainment show. Kai no what 10 no na odi akoyo na mama se wa sisi enso na nipa no umti na num sem na odi akoyo asem na odi no discuss abra on friend nipa no nti se bibi sad ba oya on call no kan chirom na munja ni ma mo ye na fine oyo obi a usa nti afi na oba ese se iti no so na oba ye kese because Ghana ye dia ne mama se wa oni obi e no ebi na o ka se BBC No, the voice one. Ghana Busan, and what is a bomb to BBC. Catch them. Katanasi on me, my power.
You, me that's a pa.
All right. Charlie, in fact, Papa, you have my advice, and for me, legitimate advice. Hello, good afternoon. Pacho, your friend saying for thing.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm from Janoa, Mikas Africa Krovite. Hey, that don himself.
Live in action.
Hey, that don. One family group, no, but I know the other can actually.
Yeah.
And him, I know we can hold no. And him, I know no casa cry a sinio. Yeah, him. Hey, him, I mean, me mecano. But Wama Ghana, Bema, Yenina, Yahuajo. Mawakuma, why? What? Nyami shrow, papa. Me who say, oh, mamma shrow, Nyami, Asana, away. And then no day and Sharama, why? Who cover me as a Jew because at least you made Mama proud, okay? God bless you.
Wow, looks like Mami Sawa has loads of fans. Like people believe in you, and for me, it's a very good thing. Say, I'm for it was GDNO. 0302216545. 0302216546. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello, Pacho. Good afternoon, Miteo.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon, Pacho. Yes, Pacho Frefi.
Hello.
Hello. Who tell me there? Yeah, good afternoon. Pacho Frefi. Are you mensa? Okay. Who been Lori Crown? Oh, okay. Pacho, Bonote, my radio. No, I'm say very loud. Into my feedback with studios pa. Into Pacho, to me, I be people radio no one. Hello.
Hello.
Aha, see, I come man. Pacho Kasawai.
Pacho, me do this.
Within the day.
Rospina.
Okay, Rospina. Pacho, lower radio no my kakra, my feedback. Kakra, yeah, pa. Pacho, who contribution then?
Pacho, me
what's it? Oh, feel free. Kasawai. All right. I think the line is very bad, and we have about 6 minutes to the top of the hour 3. And but a message be her. And for me, it's very important. Say, Mami Sawabe I say, from Mike Perez, the Don, please, isn't her manager too young to be managing a great and a young actress like Mami Sawa? Since both of them are inexperienced in life, she needs a manager who's more grown and matured to guide her in life. And for me, a issue about I say what to me, because I'm out for babies who drinks, because me, I got no. I was quite surprised your manager.
Okay, as I said, no, make us say management. And you're non kwa.
Okay, I know you're a road manager and a visa.
There be only main manager, but you want penny full. Like a team. And you're non kwa. And he said, okay, say young, but answer na brain no. And you're young, sir. Because me di one dance here say. Obeso muno enyoma bebre na aba makwemo enyoma bebre wo ho a owura even baby kwa mani nda kwa say me manager bewra no owura
BBC kwa say ono no de ba
yes enti say young person we atimi aye we a ene nkofo a menka ne say e wo team ni mo o maso na sene a me sure say enye problem ma me kra.
Wow,
I'm very, very grateful.
Mami say wa matse say Easter yi wo program bi a wo pese wo ye Ghana ha patro program no semba wo de mama fa call we ansana. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Patro, your friend say who free him?
If I'm Prince, me from Temacom 22.
All right, Prince, Mami Sawa was studio ha. Patro asem na person bisa no.
Mami Sawa.
Yeah, hello.
I'm not fluent with the tree, so the little that I can say in English, let me say. What I would like you to know is that, in Ghana, when you talk about stars, they are always, rebuked. People say a whole lot of things to them, which they come back and say a whole lot of things back to them. But the only thing I want you to know is that there are more to come because you are still young.
there are more problems or there are more things that you're going to face in the world. So I want you to stand firm and make sure that anything at all that comes your way, get advisors who will advise you. The only thing I can tell you now is try your possible best and be who you are. Because I don't normally listen to FM stations, but I don't know why today I have to, tune into Asempa, and I really love the way you are talking. That's why I decided to call. So keep it up, and what I would say is that we need more of your movies. So keep it up, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you very much. All right, Asempa 94.7 FM. Kejua, all right. So let's continue. Corporate travel consult. Hello, Obiwa Humanoswana. Hello, Mpacho. Good afternoon, Mpacho Frefi.
Good afternoon, Mpacho. Miss Frefi is Lagos.
Okay, Mpacho, you're frozen.
Mpacho from Benin.
Okay, Mpacho, Mami Sawa Oha. Mpacho, be to me na kasawai.
Yeah, Mami Sawa, why are there? The movies that I share, but do maybe no YouTube. Me guy do call YouTube, and now I call home, baby. What's it, Mami Sawa? Our occult group, yes, green ring vision.
Green ring.
Yeah, I was in green ring.
Aye. Mami Sawa.
Okay, occult, wow.
Na Mami Sawa wakoko.
Person be and say I'm fine now.
Okay.
Mpacho nyampa. We are celebrating. I say even wow touching crash cry. Say occult. Oh, and me kwa say yaka occult cry na me say yaka se me share because me nim. Matiluminati but me nim nkofo wo. And yes enye easy cry say be friends. Yes just say wo bi answer. Aye. Enti nipa kwa be kan no me na make no me nyoma bi bebre wo ho a me hu na ma ignore. Enye bibia na say wo kan wasem. Ti ono waka na asem. But me say hu say like odinkofo bebre eka say when so ye bi okoka obapa Christy Bishop nipa bebre na osi omo wo okotinim eti afinkofo be hu say ono ankasa no asem na wo ka no enya no kre.
All right, okay. Yo,
that's it.
Thank you very much. And hello. Good afternoon, Pacho. Your friend was saying Frefi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, where are you calling from? Your friend was saying. All right. Unfortunately, Mami, so I say you didn't come on Easter, no. There now, Easter. You might say, Easter festival be or Beige Village in Pacho Boy and come out about
Okay.
Sister,
me pese me ra tourism wankasa. Ti me the way ena esha sie. Me pese me fans call Easter way. That's 19th to 22nd of April. Me pese me fans e call na ye kodi Easter no. Oh.
Me kahwana.
Obia.
Me your number one fan no.
Obia.
Because Beige Village bebe mkwandi SM so me represent live.
Packages ne dey doors. Bebre kwa.
Boy nkomo about the packages.
Okay.
Amam from person mu kubi no, am person mu support no na omo etumi ababi.
Okay, your accommodation, British breakfast, excursion in Kwa, dinner with jazz, karaoke night, and a swimming like a dozen. Tennis, you bet sure almost said your musibabo tennis, like a nyoma bebre. Just come and have fun. I think 3 days on 3 days one me. You bet you try pictures. Ediana unya, ediana opera unya. Just for free time, just 3 days. Na for beji weni, like baby I'll better, and ya problem.
Now there terms and conditions neka hon.
Like terms and conditions.
Like if I want to be sikabe bemu na na how are we going to go about it?
Wait ya me wo fly and wa ma post kwa o me IG nti nkofo nkono mo nkoshe packages ne doso but single person no ubetua 800 cedis sorry na double etua 15 1005.
That's for 3 days.
Yes.
3 days enjoyment food and accommodation guaranteed.
Yes,
and fun.
Bibia.
And photo shoots with Mama Sewa.
And your photo shoots in Kwa, share.
And your debut, but your Bob. You better not jacuzzi. Maybe Yanka, me no better jacuzzi.
Oh, me pese and go for come I gym nam koshe. Flyer ne waha, but mint me bubonina because packages ne dosu. Enti oko na ko ha. Me kasa me kan kra.
Mpacho IG no kan e anama for bibinti ase.
Instagram. Official Mama Sewa. To ko ho abehu. Numbers no say o pese bia o frena o tie mu yia. Numbers no 055 36 799 64 and I say 0247 149923. Message is subium.
Sir.
055 36 79 964 and I say 0247 149923.
All right.
Yani corporate travel consult ena yene omakaboma ye sajuma diwe enti travel with Mama Sewa.
All right, William, and there's this message I ever from one of yetie for no or tie yempa your friend Debbie Esuman. I say maybe I will say we a very young lady and heavy makeup no so too much like on social media yeah na ye hu social media no if you say ebia say wo nginia makeup no wo kwam say yeah but young lady no you are already looking fresh into say we share heavy makeup no sa na o feel say en sheda nyem ma wo papa bia em say otofo.
Okay, me dan asepa but me page wo ebi wo ho a me ye makeup for advert obi ba betua makeup na for ebia product bia ye use no wo yanim wase me mfamfa manim na me nye advert mano enti enye se de bia no ebia mpese me twa picture wo me page wo a na makoye makeup because we come me page wo pictures bebre wo ho a me use me am natural look na edawo enti eto de bia enye se makeup for fun eto de bi nso a makeup na nkasa me ye de jiska enti enko for any kwanse enko for kan wasempi but matie efuto medam asepa anso. All
right, let me just quickly do some of these few messages. Ni knowing that they say is she dating Bill Asama? I'll say no, she's not dating Bill Asama. And Jane Williams said the Don, I love this lady Mama Sewa watching you from Tema Community 11 station. Thank you very much, Jane. Botiano Cynthia say no bill is more. Okay, I think she's replying to somebody's comment. And Robert King Paul say, Mama Sewa, I just like you. Please give me your number. Hey, Mbaso, and then dear Mbaso. So open the manager number in the area over young boy. No, she will more blockade. Manager, your friend say, oh, it's not say night. In fact, minimum your friend was a manager. Tete. Yeah, now I can see why. Because my temptation in come your way. Because I'm
but your wife.
Our wife. Yeah. All right, Mama Sewa, finally before you go, message Ben episode to drop.
Okay, and then many Japan because the messages and warm messages are about many Japan. It's so sweet. Nyamisha mo nyina. Madam was say like mom papa wo me hoda. Comment and say stories e beba nyina echi no still na me hu ne say enkofo eda so epemasem ehwe me movies. Nyamisha mo na they met me aka say I'm coming out with the best because see na ngasa no me management here plan say me ankasa me betwa movie.
Personal movie.
Yes, me fans be brebe because obi wo ho a okita talent no but sika na say baby na wontimi nrama yemboa no enti sie na nkasa no me fans ankasa na me bo mo so movie number be chan me isu be bre obi okoro nim acting kwa chen me bo nim acting chen obi
opportunity no nya.
Yes, enti e di ni be rem na onu so anya that kind of chance no etimi a explore ne talent enti nyame nhwamo nyaminsha mebusuafo nyaminsha media nyaminsha me management nyaminsha mo nyina se mo mpa ba wo me hoda nyaminsha mo.
All right, thank you very much, Mami Sewa. Mami Sewa, I love you. All right, so thank you very much for doing the listening. All right, thank you very much for listening to Tete-A-Tete right here on Asempa 94.7 FM. The name is the Dawn of Dawns, making way for Kejua, award-winning Kejua on Sports Avenue. Stay tuned, Asempa 94.7 FM, giving you all the best entertainment in sports, in politics, and everything talk. We do it to the best of our ability. Mesdames, c'est moi qui program here. Mesdames, c'est one so say waba asempa ha enne. We do be a mutie ase mo amutie on Facebook, mo share on Facebook ni radio so ni na no. Mo fan chemi o e na twi no. E na me mix no. Your friend Afutu France. Inti, thank you very much. Next week same time. Mebaha Zoblazo. This is the sick tune. But program your friend Tete-A-Tete. Samir Enchi, thank you very much, executive producer for the show. Thank you very much for listening. Have a very pleasant Saturday. We would like to say thank you to Gifty Antad on social media and the management of Small Boy no. Bye bye for now.
Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM.
Petit Paris à Maé, Pédazo, Bemaïezi, Zoblazo.
Asempa FM 94.7.
Mrs. The Mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The treasure de who sit him here. Name will be on the according to our church.
Hey, Pastor, if we say me kunu fa, me do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma dear CB women's capsules. What I know? Any job be free pa.
Praise God, praise God.
CB men's capsules. I best some in Pemumre, and me do some yali, and no abandons now we can't never from no. And in Ayasia, I am the future crop remuno. CB women's capsules are beginning in every so.
Maya come see me that day munti. Me rapon ya no be fie.
Coming going. CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center, Ghana man, Madam was say a painful, a bad time one more money for them of when you fear to me and come home. Our pharmacist chemical herbal shops in name. And to 4 Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. After 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
Ubadun so feel. Hey, you are so good. FD Ahisha a dready and crack to him agiatum.
When you need quality parts for your cars, run to Star Car. Yeah, Star Car. Parts reliable and unbeatable, run to Star Car. Yeah, Star Car.
Welcome to Star Car. Original spare parts are Tete-A-Tete 2 weeks beer. Star Car, the spare parts containers be new for Europe bagan. Now where parts you want. Every part they here. Car beer engine and so on. I can see and then get one you nah. So original parts are fresh Star Car and was 0553 558 369. You will pass Kwashiman Quinos. Star Car.
Star Car. Star Car.
It's coming this June. The 4th annual Emmy Africa Awards, West Africa's biggest award event, celebrating men who shape Africa. Nominate your Man of the Year, Visit emiafrica.com for information on categories and nominate or send your nominations to nominations@emiafrica.com. Your essay should not be more than 100 words and should include the nominee's profile, the category you're nominating them for, and why. Emmy Africa Awards, celebrating the Men of the Year. Inspiring greatness, powered by Carbon AV, EM Magazine, and proudly supported by the Multimedia Group. For inquiries, call 020-201-8870. Emmy Africa Awards.
Adum Easter with MTN will be so much fun as Adum 106.3 FM, Asempa FM, Adum TV, AdumOnline.com, Live 98.7 FM. And no one when you make us a homecoming experience, business, entertainment, sports, health, and gospel. Shannon Swan, wait 5 days of exciting experience starting Thursday 18th, ending Monday 22nd of April 2019. Linda Door Restaurant, a beggar deck, a hot and yet the council, HSC or Nabraya Kodru Kono, or Bombing High Street, Empire, so Eastern Palace, a beggar deck, a hot and Adum 106.3 FM. A big show highlight for Baby, about the show Nasi, Ajuju Akuma, Neswani and Salkache, or Bombing Street, Sanso and Empire Stadium, Empire Palace Street, near Bibia Crano, near County Adum Easter with MTN 2019. Starboat, and no Ewon Coco. Share your experience with us. Hashtag MTN Adum and hashtag we there for you. Brana Beshia, favorite presenters, I would tell now show our Adum FM, Adum TV, Asempa FM. So any Adum to 4 would tell you, Edisa, Patapizi, Bright of Bookback fame, Prior Francis Amo, Patient Nyako, Reverend IK Enin, aka Bobale Bobo. MTN Adum Easter 2019 is proudly brought to you by MTN. We there for you everywhere you go. Wubati Atagi Ginger, Fido Money Lending, Slim Bet, Ajinkwa Garlic Plus from Greenfield Scientific Herbal Research and Clinic, Simba Bet, Simisu Bitters, Famico Dry Gin, Franco Trading Enterprise, Adonko Bitters, Oba Spaghetti, Darling Lemon Alcoholic Drink, HC Hair Relaxer, Your Money Plus, Vitamin, Downtown Miracle Boutique, Bima Insurance, Give Us Core Capsules, and Give Us Power Capsules, Supermalt and Fact Beer, Ideal College, FPAC, Lydia Fashion, Arida Roofing System, Mr. Kill, Mavis Insecticide, Tumira Herbal Research and Clinic, Roma Insecticide Spray and Quail, Sasu, Capfarm Ghana Limited, Adum Easter with MTN 2019. Ebeye say simultaneous equation. Will you be free more enye? Will you be free more enye? Will you who free more enye?
Revival. The Lord Star Ministries Incorporated. Evangelist Papa Shin Dano Etuna and Sensi why a powerful revival crusade Easter Imu. Basu Easter Friday 19th. Na next year 20th. Any Kwasieda 21st April 2019. Ewo Kwame Nkrumah Circle. And you mena no nsia kosia imachi no ndum yenu debia. Aye Ghana for Jesus Christ. Asem tire daso. Let your name be in the book of life. Ayare for benya yaresa otwani apontime beyi ne mafin kabrechire biara mu sa openchire mu na opese wuyi kakra de bo nyame adwuma frɛ ana WhatsApp 0558084511 Aye Ghana for Christ Crusade mayenhia unyame nhira
is rooted like a ficus tree. World Cup on the horizon, looking for a gem or two. Magic pass. But he can't have this one. Taken away cleanly. Hermoso with a pretty tackle, but Messi even better. And it deflects home to the promised land.
Asempa FM.
If he was told to be there or be square, he'd be both. Lionel Messi gets a look of a difference.
Asempa FM.
But as ever, Phil, he's the ghost in the machine. There's no cogs in his game. It's all hocus pocus, and again, like smoke through a keyhole for Lionel. Wonderful pass to find him. It's a...
Papa driver, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Taxi driver, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Filling station, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Pop spot, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Quaristas Moson for Qua Master Price. Papa driver, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Taxi driver, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Filling station, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Pop spot, man in the hair, me Tete-A-Tete Asempa FM. Quaristas Moson for Qua Master Prior, honey.
Etiefoɔ Elizabeth Ado ama pele nie Ghana Black Queens midfielder Mutie Eriko keji wanankasa. Etiefoɔ Elizabeth Ado ama pele nie Ghana Black Queens midfielder Mutie Eriko keji wanankasa.
Baby, you they give me joy, Angela. Oh, Angela. What's up? Na must say my boy Kwame Yina Mutie keji wanankasa. What I say? Tini radio the two and that na just radio na say. Maka. Baby, you they give me joy, Angela. Oh, Angela. What's up? Na must say my boy Kwame Yina Mutie keji wanankasa. What I say? Tini radio the two and that na just radio na say. Maka.
More fire! The lion is about to roar. More fire!
You know what time it is? Achisa.
Attention, please. Time to talk about sports. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen.
Guess who is on the